last one I got to shoot today. This is another farm. This is the second farm. I got one more farm to stop at, and we'll have about 4 or 5 to trim there, and I'll be done.
I got the yard nice and kind of leaf free for you. It's Friday afternoon, y'all. We've been cleaning inside and outside today. I did a little bit of decorating with some of the pumpkins and all that we got from the farmer's market yesterday. It's a little bit after 3 o'clock now, and we're about to make a cake, a candy corn poke cake. Don't worry though, it's not candy corn flavored. So if you hate candy corn, you might still like this candy corn cake. There's not even gonna be candy corn on top, nothing, because Walmart was out of candy corn. We're using white cake mix, orange, Jell-O, lemon, pudding mix. You could use vanilla too if you don't want to use lemon. I actually probably wish I would have gotten vanilla, but I didn't think about it. Because vanilla, you know, sometimes, especially French vanilla, has that yellowish looking color. Let me see if I have any vanilla. Nope, I don't. That's okay. We'll go with lemon. And we'll need Cool Whip. I've got that in the refrigerator though, and we don't need it until the very end. So the first thing we do is just bake this white cake mix, just like the box says. We're gonna spray and flour our pan real quick. Y'all know we love poke cakes, and I don't think we've ever made this candy corn poke cake before. It's pretty much just called candy corn because it's the color of candy corn. Orange, white, and yellow. You could use lemon Jell-O instead of lemon pudding, but y'all know our original strawberry poke cake that we really like to make a lot has vanilla pudding and strawberry Jell-O, so I thought I would go with a lemon pudding and orange Jell-O for this one. And I was gonna put a few little candy corns on top, but like I said, Walmart was out, so we're skipping that. But you can find some that would be cute. You know what would be a great idea? I don't know if I have the stuff for it. I don't think I do, but it would be really cute. Do I have orange and yellow food coloring? It would be really cute to just like draw a candy corn on top. We might try that. We'll see if we have the stuff for it here in a little bit. Or I have M&Ms. I don't think I have enough to do I can do a tiny little candy corn on top with M&Ms. Okay, so we've got the pan ready. So we'll just make the cake and get it in the oven. Let me grab a bowl. We'll use this one for the cake mix, and we'll need this one for the lemon pudding in a minute. All right, Cece and Manly just came in from jumping on the trampoline. You're just in time, Cece.
Good. And I have some chocolate milk.
You got some chocolate milk. You were thirsty, huh? Mm-hmm. I saw you out there doing lots of tricks.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you,
When I
ma'am.
grow up like the size of Daddy, I'll be doing flips in the air.
You will?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cake's going in the oven. We'll mix up the lemon pudding mix and just put it in the refrigerator for now. What are you doing, Manny? Anytime you hear somebody acting like they're having extreme fun washing their hands, it's time to check and see what they're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just put this in the refrigerator, and the Jell-O, we won't need to do anything with it until the cake gets done. So we're just gonna mix it with some really hot water You can bring the water to a boil, or you can just heat it up in the microwave. Just get it really hot so that it dissolves the Jell-O. That's all you gotta do. We're gonna poke holes in the cake and pour it over.
I better change my clothes. What's this?
You gotta change your clothes.
Yeah. This shirt feels comfortable.
Does it? Cake is done. We poked some holes in it. We like to do big holes. You can just use a fork and do little ones, but we like to do the big ones since we use the pudding, because once we pour the Jell-O over the top, then we put the pudding layer, and if you do the big holes, some of that pudding seeps down into the holes too, and it's great. So for the Jell-O part, we only do the 1 cup of boiling water, not the cold water, just the 1 cup of boiling. So I'm just gonna heat 1 cup of water up in the microwave real quick. It just has to be hot enough to dissolve the Jell-O. We've got the water ready. I just heated it for about 2 minutes. We've never done this with orange Jell-O before, y'all, so I don't know how this is gonna be, but we're gonna find out. We have done blue before, blue Jell-O, and it was good.
And it's a turtle Jell-O.
Did we do green before?
Yeah.
We'll let that cool down just a little bit before we put the lemon part. It's already looking candy cornish.
Yeah.
We're stirring the lemon pudding up just to make it a little easier to spread. I hope this is good. You know, if we would have went with vanilla pudding though, it might have been kind of like a creamsicle flavor.
Oh yeah.
I'm really thinking we should have went with French vanilla, y'all, but we'll see. Maybe this lemon will be good. But yeah, going with vanilla, that could have been a creamsicle poke cake there.
Yeah, I love creamsicles.
Okay, now the Cool Whip. I'm just gonna try to freehand this piece of candy corn on here, y'all. Not sure how it's gonna work. You know what I could do? Now I could do a piece of paper and cut it out, but I don't wanna lay that on top of the whipped cream. I'm just gonna freehand it here. We'll see what we get. Freehand it, is that what you call it? That's what I'm calling it. Doesn't have to be perfect on the edges. I just want to put a little candy corn on here. Now the orange, which looks kind of pink, but it says orange. Seriously says orange, see that, y'all? But it totally looks pink. Now we'll do the white. You know, you can't really see because it's already white from the whipped cream, but it's there. Now we'll take a little spatula or something, let's see. We'll just take this and kind of smooth up the edges a little bit. There we go. I mean, I think you can tell it's the candy corn. Now we'll just take some of the orange and yellow sprinkles and just lightly go around just the outside. What do you think?
Yeah.
Boom, candy corn poke cake. Now we'll put it in the refrigerator. Later on tonight, we'll see what it tastes like. For supper tonight, we're making a sausage and cabbage skillet. I ordered green cabbage to go with this purple cabbage, but Walmart didn't have any, so we just have purple. That's fine. The kids are probably gonna make hot dogs with theirs anyway. Well, kind of like those hoagies that we make, you know, with just the smoked sausage, peppers, and onions. They're probably gonna make those. We'll go ahead and sauce up the cabbage and an onion. The sausages are almost ready to be taken out. We grab some more butter. Try to get this sliced up real quick, and then we'll take those out. We're gonna put in the cabbage and the onions. Okay, we're gonna put some salt and pepper. Just a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of paprika. Okay, we'll let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll add the sausages back in.
How we like it?
It tastes like an orange cake.
Let's see.
It tastes like candy corn to me.
Really good.
Yes.
Delicious. That's a good combination.
She's right. It tastes like an orange cake. It's great.
Yeah.
You know what it tastes like? You know the pig picking cake? It tastes kind of like a pig picking cake, but without the pineapple. Popcorn time.
Yeah. Yeah.
They picked Toy Story 4 for the movie tonight.